welcome to Kuber Consultancy Services. So today we are going to see about tailor-made rental and lease agreement uh, services, so which we provide through Kuber Consultancy Services. So first we visit Kuber Consultancy Services website, so kuberconsultancyservices.com. So when you click on that, so you will be redirected to our website. So you can see a number of services and a number of categories which we are providing as a services through this website. So for applying for the tailor-made services, so tailor-made rental and lease agreement services, so you click on the for individual tab. So these are the services which we are providing. So these are the categories of services, so you can check on every services which we are providing. So in that you can see the list of services which we provide for individuals. So you can see the tailor-made rental and lease agreements, so this service. So you just click on that, so you can see the pricing, so including GST but excluding government fees if any. So and you can see the what are the services which we have included in this lease and rental agreement service. So you can see the descriptions of the service, so what is rental agreement, so why Kuber Consultancy Services, and types of rental agreements and benefits of rental agreements, and then what are the contents to be included. So this is the basic content which need to be included. So apart from that, you can see what are the documents required to for us to prepare a rental agreement for you. So and what are the how we can register the rental agreements, and what are the formats, or what is the basic details which we need to give. And apart from rental agreement, we also provide the lease agreement. So for this, so what is lease agreement, so types of lease, benefits of lease agreement, contents of lease agreement and document, so and what is the process, so registration process, and what is the lease agreement format, so what are the details to be included in the lease agreement format. So this is the overall description, you can read it, so you will get an idea why rental agreement and lease agreement is important for you, so for any purpose. So and in reviews tab, you can see the reviews which our customers who have purchased through our website, so has entered the reviews. So as of now, so we are doing it in offline, so no one has converted it in online, so their reviews will yet to come. So after you purchase, so you will also can come and post your reviews with the image, videos, or anything. So for every services this is common, and the process is the process taken by the Kuber Consultancy Services for preparation of the rental and lease agreement. So our business, for every account, in Kuber Consultancy Services, we will allocate a business manager. So your dedicated business manager will check the details. So and after that, if they want to any details or require any clarification, they will contact you via the app messenger, so which you can see it here. So when you click on it, you can log in and you can use it. After that, so you will clarify and you can see the you can see the status. So and for your note, So we will not contact you personally or WhatsApp you other than our official number. So we have our official number, so 944-599-4630. so this is our official number. So apart from this number we will not contact you from any other number. So and after this, so we will update the status, and on completion of the services we will share the finalized agreement format to you. So you can buy the rental agreement stamp paper nearby your location, and you can print out in that. Okay, so apart from that we are providing additional services so that we have added here. So we will check it here. So documents required. So what are the documents required for rental agreement preparation and lease agreement preparation? So based on your requirements, so we may obtain additional details also. So based on that, and you can see the additional services, so which we are providing as additional services through our website. So you can see it here also. So you can see it and you can add it as another services also. And FAQs is the question and answer. So if you have any doubts, so you can see here. So what we have added, so what are the questions, and you can see the answer. Apart from, we have added around 10 to 15 FAQs. So apart from that, if you have any questions, so you can come to this Q&A session and you can add your question, mail ID and name. So and submit. We will respond to that. After that we will add the answers to here also. So and this is the refer and earn tab. So once you create an account and log in into your account, you can see your referral code. So while you refer a friend, so they will get a 5% discount on any services which they are obtaining through Kuber Consultancy services using your coupon. And after they purchase, so you will also get a 5% worth coupon, so you can use it for other services also. Okay, so this is the basic content so which we have provided. So and after that, so you can see the short form also. So and if you want, still you have some doubts, so you want to clarify, so you want to consult, so click on this get consult button. So it will be taken to the WhatsApp, so you can log in into WhatsApp and you can chat with us, so we can communicate and we can finalize your requirement. Okay, so after that, if you click on the add to cart button, so it will be open like this. So you can click on the view cart button. So and you can see the services which you are included, as it is as 449 is including GST. So here you can see the GST breakups. So and you can add a coupon code also here. So if you have your friends coupon, so friends referral code, you can use a referral code here and apply for the 5% discount. So after that, if you click on the proceed to checkout, so you need to fill the details for our billing purpose. So this services related contents, so you will give it as a document. So we will add it there. So apart from that, for billing purpose, you need to give the content here. So you need to enter the company name, so everything. So after that, you can create an account. So this is if you created an account, so you can see the status from there itself. So after that, so you can create an account and you can pay. So and we would like to tell you, so we would like to tell you, we are contributing to the society. so through our own foundation called Aksha Foundation. So for every order, so every order value, we are donating 10% to the foundation, so which we use it for supporting the needy people. So needy people, so we are contributing. So apart from our contribution, if you would like to contribute from 5 rupees, minimum 5 rupees you can contribute. So and for this contribution you will get a ATG certificate also. So for that purpose you need to enter the PAN number, so to get the donation certificate in your name, so to claim the donation. Okay, so this is our overall how to apply on the tailor-made services. So after when you click this both and subscribe, click on the subscribe button to pay and finalize. So after that we will check your documents, so your business manager will check your documents, and they will update you whether any further details or documents are required. So based on that we can finalize and complete of the services, and we will send the format, and we will send the documentations related to your services to your mail ID, and you can access through your my dashboard account also. Okay, my profile account also. Okay, so this is the overall procedure to how to apply for the rental agreement and lease agreements services in our Kuber consultancy services. Thank you for watching this video. So hope you have liked this video. So you share the video, so like, subscribe and share this to your friends, family, so who is in the need of our services, so all our services. So we take care of your business as a whole, so you can just focus on your core field. So we will take the responsibility, and we will take the responsibility and complete your tasks on the legal and legal compliances matters. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So in our next video, so we will learn more things. So thank you so much. Bye.